Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by grabbing the original Realme fast charger and the matching cable. This is critical because proprietary protocols need correct hardware. Plug the charger into a stable outlet, then connect the cable to the phone. You want minimal interruptions. Once done, close background apps or enable airplane mode to reduce power draw, and if practical, switch the phone off for fastest top-up. You should see the fast charge indicator right away. If not, double-check connections and cable orientation. You now optimize conditions so the charger can deliver peak power. Make sure the phone is cool, charge in shade or a room at 15 to 30 degrees Celsius, because thermal throttling will reduce speed. Go into battery settings and confirm the phone is using the correct fast charge protocol or adaptive mode. Some Realme models allow toggling optimized charging. Also, turn off Bluetooth, GPS, background sync, and lower screen brightness. These steps drop load and let your phone accept more amperage faster. You finish by monitoring the charge and unplugging when you reach your target. Avoiding constant 100% preserves battery health. If the phone never shows the fast charge icon, swap to a known good certified cable and try a different wall outlet or USB port. Cables often cause failures. Once hardware is ruled out, restart the phone and check for firmware or vendor updates in settings, because software bugs can disable fast charging. If problems persist, contact Realme support for diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.